Hi, it's Chrissy here. I tried before to do a live and we were interrupted by my Stamping Up delivery and I forgot to press post. So what I'm going to do is just go through again what our raffle prizes are, and this time hopefully we won't be interrupted by the Stamping Up delivery guy who insists on getting a signature. And I had to answer the door because I didn't want to miss my order because it was for retreat next Saturday. So let's talk about our raffle. So our raffle is to raise funds for the Christmas hampers that are distributed in our community. And that's part of our retreat day. A percentage of sales from all of our retreat tickets go towards the hampers, and then any raffle tickets that we sell or any lucky envelopes excuse me, that we sell, the money from that all goes back into the retreat. Okay, so let's talk about the prizes and what they involve. And sorry if you started watching this before and we were rudely interrupted. Now, I'm sorry if there's going to be some glare. Okay, so let me turn the camera around, and I haven't got my flash on, so hopefully there won't be as much glare as previous ones. All right, so here we go. We have got, as one of our prizes, we've got a heat tool, there's a silicone craft mat, there's some embossing powder, there is an embossing essentials kit, a handmade Christmas decoration, and that is just one prize. Alright, so, excuse me. Okay, the next prize, we've got our Take a Pick tool and the crafters pack. It's also got this lovely little handmade desk caddy, a handmade ornament, some link of Stella, a chalk pen, spritzer, some cardstock. What else is in here? A mask, a large and small, what do you call that? Blending brush, and also a little emery board to distress edges. So that's a really nice little box which I made. Okay, so we're doing this all again. Alright, then this one here, this was donated by Charlene, and it's got lots of little goodies in here. It's got some paint, and it's to paint the cup. It's got some watercolour pencils, an aqua painter, a spritzer. I love the cup. That's really nice. Alright, then we've got a Stampin' Up handbag, and this is just stunning. I love it. I have one and I use it all the time. It is my go-to handbag. I take it when I travel. It hasn't even been opened. Oops. Something to rotate my phone. Just trying to get it out one-handed. Now, it's got Stampin' Up branding on it. Got lots of pockets inside. Now, it will have a coin inside because you can't give a bag without a coin, or else it will always stay empty. So that's a great little thing. This way, I've got one and Vicky's got one, and we use it all the time. All right. Next up is this kit here. Let's see if we can. It is a magnetic Celebrate magnetic board kit. So it's got lots of little hooks so you hang things on in your room. It's got frame. This is still a current kit, so that's a very, very generous donation. Okay. All right, then we've got this little box here, and this is all full of goodies. So we've got some samples of cardstock with the names on them, a colour coach, little surprise gift bag. We've got some crafty pegs, and these are for, this is for putting vinyl on, but you can use it as a bone folder as well. Got a little notebook with everything I know. Yeah, it's got these great little pool party and soft sea foam cards and envelopes. Now, when these came out, they sold out. Like, it was almost unprecedented. I haven't seen anything sell out quite like that. That was just amazing. So that's really lucky to get that as a donation. And then we've got some hand-penned memories and more note cards and envelopes. So these are great card bases. All you need to do is just add a little image or a sentiment. We've got some stamping mist cleaner. There's a little spritzy bottle. There's a stamp set. Well, I need to package it all up. I know there's a spritzer in there as well. So that's a great little prize. Now, this one here is another prize. It's a simply created bouquet. So this is the old style kits that Stampin' Up used to do before we got the fancy boxes. And then this here is a card kit. It's got 3 different cards, I think, in it, or 3 different projects in it. Hi, Carol. Hi, Glenda. Thanks for watching. Okay, then we've got this kit as well, and this is a princess party kit. So it's got little invitations, and I know a little girl who would just loved her mum to win this kit. I'm sure that our little heart warrior would love this. Just saying, her mum, make sure you get a ticket. And they're all part of one prize. Okay, the last prize is, oh, actually it's not the last prize. One of them's still not here yet. And it is, now each of these tins has got some crafty goodies in them. So there's 3 tins of crafty goodies, but you can decorate the tins. I often use these tins for gift cards. Whoops. The little box has got some crafty goodies. There's this spritzer and a spray bottle. There's a frame. It's a IKEA frame, so that's really good. And then there's this really great carry tote for your 12x12 papers. So if you were going on holidays in the caravan or camping, you could just pop a few of the papers in here. Now, some of these things aren't Stampin' Up branded, and that's okay. They're donations, and so you just pop a few things in here, a few papers, and you can even put labels on it if you really want to. And you can just have that in your van to help you with your crafting. So you can, it won't take up a lot of room. So yeah, it's not too much room. And yeah. So the tickets for the raffle, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more to come, 9 prizes. And the tickets for the raffles are $3 each, or 4 for $10. I'm just going to turn you back around and you can see my messy face again. So yeah, $3 each, 4 for $10. The all the proceeds of the raffles go back into the Christmas hampers that are distributed among the community. So what they might spend that money on in the hampers could be things like, if they have a family, they might buy them some movie tickets or some petrol vouchers or some Coles and Woolworths vouchers, probably Woolworths vouchers, or might, if the hamper is for an elderly couple, it might be for some a coffee and a cake voucher from the local cafe. So things that will help people out in the festive season, because we know not everybody has the same advantages or the same financial situations as we might. Some people are not as lucky as us, or they're struggling for whatever reason. They might be struggling because one of the family is sick, or they might be struggling because someone's lost their job or something like that. So the Holy Spirit Anglican Church coordinates with the school and with the community and other groups to try and help people out and make their Christmas a little bit easier. So that's why we support them, and that's why also every ticket sold from our retreat also gets, there's a donation towards the hampers. Now we are, later on in the year, we can collect some goodies for the hampers, but we talked to the coordinator, and he said if our fundraising efforts buys vouchers for the hampers, that is a much better way of getting things that people need. And because you only need so many bags of rice and so many bags of pasta or tins of pineapple, but all those things are gratefully accepted, and then we can tailor the hampers much more closely to what the families need, or the couples, or the couple might be an elderly couple, or it might be someone that's just having a rough time. So it's really, Vicky and I are really privileged to be able to coordinate our raffle and coordinate our event and help. And so we're glad that this cause allows us to do that. All right, so that's enough. Excuse me. Enough talking from me. And I hope that you buy a ticket or 4. So again, the tickets are $3 each, or 4 for $10. And there's 9 prizes. I can't remember. We counted them. Let's count them again. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 prizes. And they're all crafty related. Some of them would make great gifts. Like if I wanted to win a prize, I would want to win the heat tool with the embossing essentials. That would be my prize. Or I wouldn't mind winning another one of those handbags. So they're fabulous prizes. And if you aren't coming to our event on Saturday, you can buy tickets from either Vicky or myself beforehand, and you can transfer the money, and we'll make sure that you get your tickets, and we'll send you a snapshot of what your raffle tickets are. Okay, so thank you very much for supporting our fundraising efforts, and good luck. Bye for now.